Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to display your baseline alongside your planned dates. A baseline is a snapshot of your original plan, the agreed start and finish dates for your tasks and milestones. Showing it on your roadmap helps you compare your original plan with the current one, so you can see if you're ahead, on track, or behind schedule. Let's get started. To display the baseline for all your items, click the Select All button. Right-click one of the items and choose Item Settings. Go to the Options tab and enable the baseline shadow. You can customize its position, color, and opacity. You can now visualize your baseline and compare your planned or actual dates against it. You can also enable the baseline for specific items only. To do this, hold Ctrl on your keyboard and select the items you want. Then follow the same steps. You're all set. Try it out now.